guys, I am back again to do one more pour for you guys because one of the techniques that I had gave similar results to another pour that I did, so I wanted to give you guys another technique as well. And this is the dried result from the final pour. It's so shimmery, and I love how this is kind of matte. So today what we're going to do is Deborah's Kaleidoscope pour, which I saw her do. And the video that caught my eye from her was she did it with the kiss pour. So I'm going to do it with the soulmate pour. And this is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it works out. But basically, she just does some tree ring pours throughout the canvas and then kind of lets them spread. And then she comes in and kind of like moves them, does these little swirlies through them. But I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start by putting one in the middle. And then she comes in and then she just puts a black dot in the middle of all of them. Another tree ring on top of it. So I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I love this technique. It is so cool. Like, you really don't have to do a lot, but it just ends up looking amazing. And like I said, she does swirlies with hers, and hers looks cool, but I like it just as it is, like this. So I hope it dries all right. And thank you guys so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for more.